You want to recover your Facebook profile or Facebook password without email and even the phone number. You are in the right place because today in this video I'll show you a way in which you can recover it easily. So all you need to do is to follow carefully with me, and of course let's jump right into it. But first we need to get something out of the way. Since we're going to be using Facebook Lite, not the normal Facebook or the browser Facebook, we need to go to Play Store or App Store and update the Facebook Lite app or install it if you do not have it at all. Once you're done from there, you can finally go ahead and open the Facebook Lite app, and all you need to do is to start by typing in the profile name that you want to recover. Just type in the name and tap on login. Of course, it's going to tell you to type the password. Tap on OK, but this time tap on forgot password. As you can see here, it takes you directly to that profile. Now without the password, you need to tap on try another way, of course. So tap on that option. From here, of course, you don't have access to your phone number or your email. Even if you tap on see more options, it will require a phone number. So again, from here, tap on not you. Why? I'll show you in a second. So once you tap there, from here again, tap on search by your email or name. Now type in your name again. So type it correctly and then tap on search. So once you tap on search this time, as you can see, it will log you in directly. Wait for a couple of seconds. As you can see, it says your account was confirmed, and tap on continue to log in. As easy as that. However, if you don't get this screen or you don't get it this easily, you will get another screen that gives you an option to contact their support so that they can, or you can prove to them that that's your account, and just like that you'll be able to log in. From here you can change your password or just skip, and as you can see, I have access to my account again. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please leave your concerns for me in the bottom in the comments. I'll try to reply to every single one of them, and of course don't forget to subscribe for this video, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.